world. Here we are for another tutorial of Bavarian Motor World, aka the White Ghost. See it? See the White Ghost, aka the White Ghost, baby. You dig what I'm talking about? Here we got, man, an e46 04 325i. She looks good, man. She looks good. You know what I'm saying? Finna drop the oil pan on it and change the gasket on it, man, and do all those good things to it, whatever the case may be. You know what I'm saying? So, she look nice. She look nice. So, you know, with that being said, without further ado, let's get it started. Well, we had it again. Sorry I couldn't record everything because of the simple fact I had to get it done, you know what I'm saying? I got everything dropped and everything. Subframe, fan shroud off, belt. I bought this on hand just for the job. That's how I get all my tools. Whatever I ain't got, I go and buy right then and there. Because I'm still learning about tools. But pull the dipstick. As you see, dipstick is hooked up. Pull the disavow, the disavow, and then such a tight spot, man. It's such a tight spot, but that's the whole subframe. Disconnect the steering wheel yoke so it won't put no tension on the steering wheel right there. Right there. It's all the screws. Just about for the pan. And see, the other half is over here. I ain't even got started on yet. See? But we're gonna get her done. It's about 5 in the morning right now. The Ghost still outside. I don't even leave outside. You know what I'm saying? She sits in the garage. We got the S-type. You know what I'm saying? She glazed and pearled out. You know what I'm saying? That's my baby car. But like I said, we're gonna get her done. We're gonna finish her up. I'm gonna get some tripods, some cameras and stuff and everything so I can set it up for y'all so I can show y'all how I get down and do. Until then, we'll be back at you with more. You know what I'm saying? There we go. There it is. Look all that up in there. All that carbon. That's all this carbon. Carbon build up and stuff. Try to get her clean and everything. See what the undercarriage look like. But like I said, we was gonna get her done. We got her done. Not quite done, but we finna get her done. gasket's still on. Yeah, look at it, man. Look how, see that? See how brittle it is? See that now? It's the old gasket. That's why she was leaking and stuff all over the place. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's get her done. Well, it took me almost a night and a quarter of a day, but we got her done. You know what I'm saying? Put everything back together. Pop the hood. Yep. Getting better and better. Every beam I touch. Yep. Put everything back together. Everything back together. Sound seal delivered. Dipstick. All that back in place. No skipping. No oil leaks. Look at her, baby. Dry as a whistle. Not an oil leak in sight. Oh yeah. You feel me? Got the pan back up. Cleaned off real good. She was dirty and wicked. But that's what I do. Bavarian Motor World, aka the White Ghost, baby. I'm gonna be back at you with more videos, man. If you like, comment, subscribe, share. I will be making more as soon to come.